Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe highlight. What we're looking at here is a Luxe luxury toy hauler. This is a 44 FB. It's got the 14.4 garage in this. This is actually a customer's unit that they have optioned out. Wanted to point out some interesting and some very unique features on this chassis. What you're looking at here, this is a 0.25 thickness in a steel. That's an extruded steel member that goes all the way back and acts as a header in the basement area. So you've got a fully boxed in basement area that is very good support for that area. Then this customer has a master bath in the front with the bedroom. There's your black and gray tank. They've also optioned in a second 100-gallon fresh water tank. So that's something that you can do. As we move back here, you got your black and gray tank for a half bath in the garage. That's another option that you can do. You can also put a full bath into that garage area if you choose. And again, as we've always said, this chassis is built and designed for all seasons. It is enclosed, it is insulated. There are 3 forms of heat that will be available inside this chassis area. So you'll have heating pads on all of your holding tanks. You'll have the radiant heat from all the ducting. You'll also have some forced air heat that goes into this chassis area so that there's really no cause for worry whether anything's going to freeze in the different seasons that you face. You also, if you come back here, we've got a 40-gallon gasoline tank and an 18-gallon for your generator. That's a great option for toys, and if you're running low on your generator, you can always refuel it with that 40-gallon gasoline tank. So hey, give us a call, ask us some questions about our toy haulers. The orders are really coming in strong with the toy haulers. We've done a great job of really upgrading into the Luxe name, the Luxe toy hauler. So give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.